What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your date of birth settings on your Epic Games account. Epic Games does not allow users to change their date of birth once it has been entered and the account is created. This is a locked field tied to your account profile for security and compliance reasons. So, if you've accidentally entered a younger age, you won't be able to directly change your birth date through the platform. However, adjusting the age rating in the Parental Control section is the legitimate way to lift age-related content restrictions and view games intended for mature audiences. First, open up the Epic Games launcher on your PC and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, click on your username in the top right. From the menu that appears, select Account. This will open up your account settings in your default browser. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Parental Controls. If you've set up parental controls before, you'll be asked to enter your 6-digit PIN. Type it in and click Confirm. Once you're inside the Parental Control section, scroll down until you find the Rating settings. You will see an age rating slider. This controls the types of games you're allowed to view and download from the Epic Games Store. To access more mature or higher rated content, slide the rating all the way to the top, usually marked as unrated, or the maximum age range available. This effectively removes the content filter from your account, giving you access to games rated for older audiences. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.